Hello everyone. This is Kostas Albanidis, and I'm gonna show you how we can create easily one more amazing video promoting another opportunity. Okay, at this particular video, I'm gonna show you how I'm promoting quick VSL, a special offer that it's a new tool that you can create easily and fast VSL videos. But I'm gonna do the advertisement of this opportunity that showcase this opportunity using my favorite avatar talking videos with Vidnoz. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link to the description to both of those opportunities and those great tools that you can easily check and decide what fits best for your projects, and you can even try them. In fact, Vidnoz AI it gives you the opportunity to create free videos and see if it's the one that it fits for your needs. Trust me, it has great avatars, really realistic avatars, and you're gonna love it. So today I'm gonna create one with let's find a nice lady here. I think Brittany looks nice. I'm gonna take Brittany, and I'm gonna create an English video with Brittany. Let me show you. I'm gonna just click create video with this
Vidnoz
avatar.
AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with
You see,
AI avatars and voiceovers.
she sounds great. So I'm gonna select create video with this avatar landscape, and now you're gonna see that it's gonna uh, you know prepare the whole dashboard here for me to be able to edit and add my script. Great. I got my dashboard here ready, and I'm gonna just copy a video script and paste it over here to Vidnoz. And as you can see, I have everything ready to go on. Now, the only thing I need to change is just to change the background. I can even select one of those ready-made backgrounds here, or I can upload my own background. I'm gonna select one from my from the screenshots. Let me show you here because I just got one from the quick VSL. I'm gonna select this one as a background, and as you can see here, I can even edit the pause, the pronunciation, the head control, and I can even rewrite the script, or I can even ask to create a script from scratch. Okay. Here you can see that I have those nice captions. I can move them easily anywhere I want. I can change from here the font if I want to change the font. You see, I can just select, let's say, this one, and I can make it bigger. You see, it looks nice. I can stretch them, and I got this option that I can even add a background color. Let me try to add this one, and I can make this background color transparent, not to hide my avatar, the lady behind. Okay, now it looks better, and I have even the option to select from this kind of subtitles. You look that it looks really interesting. You see, they highlight the it's a it's a word, and I can even select one of those. Let's try this one. Okay. You can you can change the color of the highlighted word, but if you choose this style, then you're gonna have a pre-styled fonts here. So I can even come and change now, add again the background, because I have added a pre-formatted captions. So I'm gonna leave it like that. You see, I got my background here, and it looks really great. So now I guess I'm ready, but I can even move this lady and get her over here. Okay, I can get her over here. I can make her bigger if I want, and she's gonna look great. Okay, I can even add my captions over here. You see, they look nice over here, and she's gonna talk, and the captions are gonna show over there. But again, I believe that it would be nice to have them here, stretched and nice. So everything is ready. I can just click generate. I can hit the button, the play button, but the lip sync is not gonna work. I have to generate the video first, and then I'm gonna see the whole result. If you hit the generate, you see I have a it's about 1 minute and 41 seconds. So this rendering, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes. Vidnoz, it's really fast, and trust me, is a reliable service to create any kind of this amazing videos. I'm gonna show you the result very fast, but I'm gonna even leave a link to the description so that you can see the whole video. Okay, let's see now the result of my effort.
Struggling to create videos that truly sell your products or services? Quick VSL is here to change the game for you. With Quick VSL, you can generate professional video sales letters in minutes.
I guess you agree that the result is amazing. You can create very interesting and very appealing, and with different avatars, many advertisements, because I use them for my clients, I use them for my products, and it's really, really great. You can create different presentations, add it to your Facebook ads, to your AdWords ads. You can use them anywhere you want, or you can just promote to your own page. It's really amazing. Check the link to my description. Try this amazing platform, and let me know your opinion to the comments, and any concerns or anything that you want to see, because you know that I always test the best products that and web apps that really provide value, and they save you time. So keep using them, and take advantage, leverage AI. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.